Hey y'all, so today I want to share some fun information with you. So if you've been interested in the 31 business opportunity, this is definitely going to excite you, okay? So right now, through April 15th of 2021, when you enroll as a 31 consultant, you are going to receive 31% off of the enrollment kit that you choose. Now we have 3 different enrollment kits to choose from at different price points, and so I'll show you those in just a second. But I want you to think about how 31 can fit into your life, okay? It's been such a blessing for me and my family, and I love being able to share this blessing with other women and see them succeed in their business. So think about maybe you're ready to make a little extra money, start that side gig. Maybe you just love the products so much that you have to get your hands on all of them and be the first to know everything. Or maybe you just need some girl time. You want to have fun online, in person, however you want to run your business. Maybe you want a way to be able to give back and do fundraisers and things like that. Whatever it may be. Maybe you want to know what it's like to own your own business. Maybe you've got big financial goals and you want to be able to help with them. Or, maybe you just have a home renovation that you want to be able to help pay for. Really, whatever it is, we all join for different reasons. But I want you to think about how 31 might be able to fit into your life and see, we can definitely chat and see if it might be a fit for you and your family. But I thought that was so exciting, especially if you've been on the fence about joining 31. Then that might be kind of the little push that you need. Now, I'm going to link above. I have a video that's called Frequently Asked Questions about Enrolling as a 31 Consultant. So I talk in that video and kind of explain some things about the business and maybe answer some questions that you may have. So definitely check out that video. And I'd love to be your 31 sponsor if you don't have a consultant that you're already connected with. Now, the fun part, right? 31% off, all right? So I do have a video, then I'll link above right here, of the enrollment kit, so you can see what comes in each kit, like the products that are in my hands. You can see this. So I'll link that above. That way you can watch that video. But I want to show you just this right here. So these there are the 3 enrollment kits that we have. So we have a $59 kit, a $99 kit, and a $179 kit. They're all slashed for 31% off. Okay, so and each kit is going to build on the one before. So this is our basic bestsellers kit. It was $59 and now you're getting it for $40.71. So you'll see throughout all 3 of these enrollment kits that they all come with our top selling products. So you'll see all about the Benjamin's wallet, large utility tote, zip top organizing utility tote. Those are our top sellers, our tried and true products, okay? So that's the basic bestsellers kit. This kit is valued at $261 and you're getting it for $40.71. And one thing that I do want to mention is with our enrollment kits, you get to choose your own prints, and the items that come personalized in your kit, you get to choose your own personalization, which is so fun. We're a personalization company, so why should you not be able to personalize your enrollment kit? And all 3 of these kits are what I like to call a business in a box. They come with catalogs, order forms, all of the necessities that you need to get your business off to a strong start. Okay, so that's that basic bestsellers kit. All right, moving up is our signature Fan Faves Kit. This kit is regular $99. You're going to be able to get it for $68.31. This is valued at $431. So you'll see you have the same items from that first kit, but you've got more added in this one. You've got that modern tote, fresh market thermal, tiny utility tote, a zipper pouch in there. So that is our signature Fan Faves kit. And then our last kit this is my favorite. This is the Ultimate Goal Getter Kit. So it was $179. You're going to be able to get it for $123.51. It's valued at $769. Look at all of the amazing products that you get in here. That window shopper LTD, a Ruby Mini. You're going to get that Move It All bag. There are so many more items that are added into this kit. So I think that makes it super fun. So just know that this incentive is through April 15th of 2021. Okay. So if you're interested in the 31 opportunity, I'd love to chat with you guys. I'll link below my VIP group so you can get in touch with me on Facebook that way. And then I'll also link below where you can just read more about the 31 opportunity on my website. And I'll also link below too if you want to watch that video, the frequently asked questions. So definitely check out the description of this video so you can see all of those, all of that helpful information for you. So again, if you don't have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl and chat with you about 31. And I think this is super fun, 31% off. I mean, we all love a good deal, right? All right, thanks so much for watching, y'all. I hope you have a great day. See you soon.